This video shows how to replace the thermostat Honeywell CT1501 with the Wi-Fi programmable thermostat RTH6500WF. First, we need to switch off power to the heating and cooling system. In my case, I first switch off the power for air conditioning at the breaker box, and then unplug the power cord for the heating ventilation air conditioning system. Confirm power is off. Try to turn on the heating and cooling equipment by changing temperature on the old thermostat. The system does not turn on, so the power for the heating and cooling system is off now. Remove the cover of the old thermostat. Loosen these two screws and remove this plate. Here is the old thermostat's wall plate. It provides mounting base, wiring, connections and manual switching control for heating and cooling. Take a picture of the wire connections for later reference. Notice that no wire is connected to the C terminal of the old thermostat. Disconnect the wire from the R terminal. Use the sticky tag to label this wire according to old thermostat terminal designation, not by wire color. Disconnect and label the wires for the other three terminals. Install screws back to the terminals. Remove the old wall plate from the wall. The old thermostat does not have a C wire connected to it, but the new thermostat requires a C wire or common wire for power. In this case, check if there is an unused C wire hidden in the wall or wrapped around the wire bundle. Gently pull the wire bundle out of the wall. There is an unused wire wrapped around the wire bundle. This unused wire can be used as the C wire for the new thermostat. Strip the end of this unused wire. Use the sticker to label this unused wire as C wire. Now we have labeled all wires needed for the new thermostat. Go to the heating, ventilation, air conditioning system. Remove cover of the system. Find the control board where we can see the same terminal labels that are on the thermostat. Locate the other end of the thermostat wiring in the heating, ventilation, air conditioning system, and then find the unused wire. The unused wire should be the same color as the one we found near the thermostat. Strip the end of the unused C wire. Connect the unused wire to the C terminal in the control board. Note that there are existing wires in the C terminal. Make sure they are still connected after connecting the unused wire. Now the unused wire is connected to the C terminal as the C wire. Close cover of the system. Separate Wi-Fi thermostat and its wall plate. On the new thermostat, grasp the finger holds on the top and bottom of the wall plate with one hand and the thermostat with the other hand. Pull pieces apart. Find the appropriate position for the new wall plate. Mark the positions of mounting screws for the new wall plate. These are anchors and screws for mounting the new wall plate. Drill holes for anchors. Install the wall anchors. Mount the new wall plate using screws. Adjust the order of wires according to the order of terminals. Connect wires to the thermostat terminals. Match the wire labels to the terminal labels. Fold quick reference card along score lines, and slide it into the slot on the back of the thermostat. Align the thermostat onto wall plate and snap into place. Plug the power cord of the heating ventilation air conditioning system into an outlet, and switch on AC at the breaker box. Set time and day. Follow the quick start guide to connect to the Wi-Fi network and register online for remote access. Paint the wall surrounding the new thermostat. Thanks for watching this video. Good luck with your project.